With inflation up 22% over the past 5 years, shoppers could feel the pinch in their wallets this holiday season. Stas Wolak with First Mid Bank and Trust joins us this morning with some tips on how to budget for the big expenses. Stas, good morning. We appreciate you being here.
Hey, thanks so much for having me. Really looking forward to the discussion.
Good deal. We often hear the importance of budget. What should people think about while budgeting this holiday season?
You know, it's really important. You mentioned the 22% inflation over the past 5 years. A different way to look at that would be, unless you've received a 22% increase in your pay over the past 5 years, you're going to feel the pinch in your wallet, and that definitely includes holiday spending. So budgeting is key.
Don't know too many people who've got a 22% pay increase. I can say some names, but I'd like to keep my job. When should people start thinking about getting their holiday shopping done?
You know, when it comes to budgeting, you have to prioritize first. You have to think about what are the most important things that you want to experience over the holidays. What are some of the most memorable items that you've done in the past? And when it comes to spending, don't go out and just start spending. Don't go to the mall, don't go online. First, prioritize and get your budget together. What are the things that you want to spend on? What are the experiences that you want? The earlier that you get started, the better. And there's two reasons for that. One is that you may have a couple extra pay cycles in that time as well. So if you've got more pay cycles, there's a better chance that you're using your regular money instead of using your credit card or others. And the second is the earlier that you get started, the more relaxed you're going to be by the time the holidays hit.
Relieve some of that stress. People nowadays, headed into this holiday season, it's easy to get those credit cards if they're not already up there. It's easy to get them more or increase those credit cards. Why is it important to keep an eye on those?
Sure, there's a couple of different things. Now, if you already have a credit card and you're able to pay it off regularly, making sure that you're earning points, you're getting rewards, that can be helpful to pay for some of your holiday expenses. If you're going to be using your credit card and you don't have points and rewards today, get those in place so that next year you can use some of those. The word of caution with credit cards is don't get caught spending for some of those small things over the holidays. You want to make sure that if you can grab cash, grab your debit card, use that first, because January, February rolls around, you don't want those to add up to a larger bill.
That interest can really get you. How can gift exchanges help limit holiday spending?
You know, that's a great question. Gift exchanges are the most fun way to create some creativity over the holidays. If you've got a lot of different individuals that you're paying for, talking about, hey, let's do a gift exchange. It's not just for your work or for your family. Gift exchanges are also a good idea for the kids as well. So instead of all of the aunts and uncles buying for all of the nieces and nephews, putting the kids into a gift exchange, they're buying one item, they're having a lot of fun. That can be way more memorable than the gift that they actually end up with. So a lot of fun.
Some great advice. Stas, thank you for being here this morning. We appreciate you. We're going to have this full interview posted on our website, foxnewnow.com.